Morning, everybody. It's 9:08, and this is your pre-opening comments. A few minutes late, but I'll rush right through it. It's a video number 2129. Okay, Asia is a little bit higher, and Europe is actually closed today. They celebrate Easter on Easter Monday. Stock futures overnight were much stronger last night. I think the Dow was up about 120. It's down, now down 12. Nasdaq was up 100. It's now up 34, and the S&P was up 22. It's only up 4. Chart on the screen is the gold, another new all-time high, and looks like it might have left a little gap. 22.56.9, 22.50. Nope, it did not leave a little gap, but it is up about $35. Really getting close to that 2300 high for the day so far. 2286.40. In other futures, the oil is roughly unchanged. Let's take a look. The oil is now up 40 cents. Gasoline is down about a penny. Heating oil about the same. Nat gas is up 7.3 cents. Last night it was down to 170. Now it's 183 and a half roughly. So that's a pretty interesting reversal. The silver is still seriously lagging behind the gold, but it is up 34. Um, I mentioned in last night's letter that the gold silver ratio is way down in the, pardon me, way up the relationship, up almost 90 times, which is pretty high. Dollar is slightly higher. The bonds are down a little over 1.1 and 132nd. As far as news today, there isn't very much. United Health announces that the CFO has been appointed to serve as president. Semtech missed by 2 cents. The stock is 27.59, up a dime. Oxford Industries was a big miss, OXM. It's trading at 101.30, and that's down $11.10, or just under 10% on a miss by a nickel. Revenue in line, but guidance was soft. U.S. Steel, leading proxy advisory firms are recommending that shareholders vote for the Nippon Steel deal. And this is kind of interesting. Microsoft is talking about um, OpenAI and Microsoft considering producing $100 billion Stargate artificial intelligence supercomputer. So we'll see what that does. Stock's up $1.83 at 422 and a half, which is really no big change. Tesla increasing Model Y prices by $1,000. And an interesting one, UPS. UPS is up $3.17. It was weak last week when they reported the earnings, and the CEO, can't remember her name, but was on and was really pretty, as usual, unimpressive. However, they have announced a significant partnership expansion with the post office, USPS. And the reason for that is because FedEx agreement for domestic transportation with the post office expires at the end of September of this year. So, maybe we're going to start to see more UPS trucks delivering stuff than FedEx trucks. All right, folks, one last look at the futures. Let's see. The Dow is, still hanging right around the zero line. S&P, okay, here we go. S&P is now up only 65 cents. The Dow is down 1337, and the Nasdaq is up 20. I'll be back later.